In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a payment in Splitwise. Before we begin, it's really important to understand what this process actually does. In Splitwise, cancelling a payment means removing a payment that was recorded inside the app. This only works for payments that were logged in Splitwise itself, like when you or someone else manually paid back $20, for example. It does not cancel money that has already been sent through Venmo, PayPal, a bank transfer, or any other external service. If the money has already left your bank or payment app, you'll need to handle that separately. Here, we're just undoing the record inside Splitwise so your balances are accurate. Let's start on the Splitwise website. Once you're logged in, look toward the top or side of the screen for the section labeled Recent Activity. This area shows a timeline of what's been happening on your account. New expenses, edited bills, and recorded payments between you and your friends or groups. Go ahead and click on Recent Activity. This is usually the easiest way to find the payment you want to cancel, especially if it was added recently. After you open Recent Activity, scroll through the list until you see the specific payment you want to remove. Payments are typically labeled clearly, showing who paid whom and the amount. When you see the right one, click directly on that expense or payment entry. This will open a detailed view where you can see more information like the description, people involved, and the date it was added. On this detailed view, you'll find a delete icon, often shown as a trash can. Take a moment to make sure you're looking at the correct payment, because deleting it will remove that record from your balances. When you're sure, click the trash or delete icon. Splitwise may ask you to confirm that you really want to delete this payment. Confirm the action, and once you do, the payment will be removed from your account and your balances with that friend or group will be updated automatically. That's all you need to do. To double check, you can go back to Recent Activity or your friend or group page and confirm that the payment no longer appears. By following these steps, you keep your Splitwise balances accurate and avoid confusion about who owes what.